I'm someone who spent a lot of time in the coaching space. I've been in all sorts of coaching programs. I've had big names design their coaching programs. I've seen behind the curtains a lot of businesses, and I would say there's a lot of sharks in in the online coaching space. There are very few lighthouses. Lighthouses being those who I would say stand tall and shine the path for you, steering you to the safe waters that you need to be in. Carrie is definitely one of those.